Alright, so for my game, I have decided to go in a different direction. I'll put my other keyboard game on the back burner right now, and I wanted to incorporate the Witch that I made a bit more. So I've made a new game that is implemented on just like a match 3 kind of game. So if we load this up, I have these different objects that spawn in. I'm working on getting all of the assets made for that. So I have a couple up right now. I have these little bones, just different things she can put in her potion. We drag down. These will match. There's some issues with my matching implementation at the moment that I'm working out. But if we keep matching, you can see my score up here goes up by 5 each time. Here's another one of those little assets I made. It's a little lizard tail. We'll do another match, hit 40. I'm working on getting this high score function working. A couple of kinks I'm working out there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming along. I have pretty good matching going on, other than sometimes it thinks 2 of these is a match, and I just need to work that out. I have the game, other gameplay up here, so I have 2 cameras set up so I can see off each of my scenes. Let me go ahead and go down there. So I have a camera here just looking at this, which loads in the editor too, and then another camera over here showing off the actual upper screen. I'm going to be animating, this is Sable, my witch. I need to get her textures on here. She's not rigged yet, so I didn't bother putting the textures on yet. But just import her in for scale. I'm going to rig her, and so every time you make a match for whatever specific item it was, she's going to be grabbing that from the respective area and dropping it into this potion. And then I also have my Houdini assets made. If we exit out of this and then go over to one of my jar elements, I have these jars that I can change. So this one I made in Houdini, it's all customizable, so you can change the bottom radius, make it as big as you want. You can change the middle radius, the height for the overall jar. Some other little things I thought might be helpful. I have the neck radius for the bottles. Not a great example of how I have this set up at the moment. Let me change some of the aspects here real fast. It's supposed to be the neck. You have to change a couple settings to make it all even out. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I was able to get a digital asset made in Houdini, implemented it in here. My next steps are going to be making a home screen. I have these buttons set up temporarily for a reshuffling feature if you get stuck down here. And then up here will be just a pause button, so you can either go back to the home screen, we'll have the shop set up, and then just a general pause menu as well. But that's where I'm at so far. I'll submit my Git repo as well, but I'm feeling pretty confident in the direction that I'm heading with this.